Shll stock is a ticker symbol for Hyliion stock. Stock News 2020. Shll stock almost doubles its stock price within 1 month. So, is Shll stock or Hyliion stock a buy? Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. So before making a decision whether you should buy a stock, in this case the Shll stock, it's better to find out more about the company. So it was founded, the Hyliion company or Hyliion stock was founded in 2015. Its headquarters is in Cedar Park, Texas. It has, according to LinkedIn, about 53 employees, and it plans to produce EV trucks. And it is quite recently, like a few months ago, it was acquired by Tortoise Acquisition. So that's why there will be a new ticker symbol for the Shll stock, and it will be HYLN stock. Alright, so let's have a quick look at the Shll stock real quick. As of today, the 25 August 2020, the stock price is at $37. Alright, let's have a quick look at this the Shll stock performance real quick. And after the merger, the market cap will be $1.5 billion. So 1 month ago, the stock price was at about $19. So you would literally double your investment if you invest in it like 1 month ago. And 1 year ago, the stock price in August 2019, the stock price was at about $10 roughly. So you would literally quadruple your investment if you invested in it like 1 year ago. Alright, because it's quite new, this company, there's no, I couldn't find any annual reports, and smash the like button. Earnings report. So let's have a quick look at their presentation from Hyliion and Tortoise Acquisition, and they have a nice comparison with their products, their trucks, with other trucks like Tesla and Nikola. And yeah, the range is much higher according to them. While the Tesla semi-truck is like roughly has a range of about 500 miles, but Hyliion trucks, they have like almost triple times range. So that's quite interesting to see, and the performance is also equals the Tesla. Refuel or charge time, it's even faster. Okay, that's actually quite interesting. So it can refuel as fast as a normal diesel truck. That's a nice comparison. Any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. Oh yeah, and the founder of the Hyliion company, he himself is a mechanical engineer. So yeah, he has a lot of knowledge and he knows all the technical stuff behind it. Let me see, where's this comparison with Nikola? Oh yeah, the trucks. Oh yeah, here it is. So here's a comparison of the cost of the ownership. If you own like this Hyliion truck, like 7 years time, you can save money like roughly 35% compared to Tesla semi truck, and you can even save more than roughly 60% compared to Nikola's truck. I also would like to add that they plan to produce their trucks in 2020. There's about 100 videos on my YouTube channel, so there will be some interesting videos for you, very likely. Just check it in the video description below for the investing playlist, for example. Subscribe and see you next time.